Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So let's get started. So this is a forex sentiment meter in front of us, and as you can see that 87% retail traders have taken long position, means that they are on the buy side, and only 12% retail traders have taken short position. It means that they are on the sell side. And as you all know, what is going on the chart of Euro USD. This is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD, and we can clearly see on the chart that market is extremely bearish. This is a seller's market, and if you have taken a buy position on this chart, that my dear friend, then you are in trouble, because market has only one rule, that is follow the trend. If you have taken a buy position in this market, then you have violated the only rule, that is the trend. So there is a possibility that market will see further downside on this chart. Today I was reading an article. Euro USD rate clears 2020 low ahead of Euro area inflation report. Overall, experts are also of the opinion that market is very much bearish, and there is a further downside possible on the chart of Euro USD. So if I take you to the weekly chart of Euro USD, then we can see that right now Euro USD is standing at a very critical level. Okay, standing at a very critical level, and considering the present bearishness on the chart of Euro USD, buying is extremely risky, because if, listen to me carefully, if Euro USD breaks this present level, there may be a further downside of another 100 to 200 pips, because we can see that we do not have any proper level. Okay, we do not have any proper support to hold the market. This was a very critical level. If Euro USD breaks it, then yes, heavy downside possible on the chart of Euro dollar again. And as we all know that DXY is flying. If you look at the chart of DXY, right now trading at 102.34. This is the weekly chart, and see, the only resistance right now on DXY is around 103 level. So around 103 level, we can expect that DXY will reverse, and there may be some recovery on the chart of Euro USD. But as long as DXY is going up, as long as DXY remains bullish, please try to avoid taking any buy position on the Euro USD chart. If you have been trading for a considerable period of time, if you know how to manage the risk, then that's a different chapter. But otherwise, if you're a new trader, beginner, then you should not be going against the trend of the market, because after all, trend is the most important thing. So what should be a strategy for Euro USD now? Okay, as I already said, that buying is out of the question right now, considering the present bearishness in the market. And if you look at the chart also, you can see that right now sellers are dominating this market. There is no doubt. Okay, if you already have a buy position on Euro USD, then I suggest that be on the buy position. But if you see, or if you find Euro USD breaking the level and going down, try to exit from the market. Maybe you are considering RSI is an oversold zone, but my dear friend, you must understand one thing very well, that price does not move because of the indicators. Indicators move because of the price. Okay, so price is independent. Price is independent. Okay, price is independent, and indicators are dependent on price. Probably you all have seen the market is going up for days and weeks, and RSI is an overbought zone. So when price and volume decides to move, okay, indicators cannot do anything. They are dependent on price, but price is independent. That's why price is considered as the king of the market. Okay, so if market breaks the support and starts falling again, try to exit. And if you're looking for a fresh trading opportunity in the market, then you can take a sell position as well. Yes, you can take a sell position as well below this level, but just make sure that you are using proper risk management, because in this volatile market condition, risk management is extremely important. Do not risk more than 2% or 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because anything may happen in the market. And for the last 2 months, we have seen extreme volatility, extreme craziness in the market. As we all know that capital protection is extremely important. So it is our duty to protect our hard-earned money. So do not make the mistake. Any good analysis may fail. My analysis can be wrong as well, but it's your money, it's your capital, so it's your duty to protect it. So as of now, I'll just say that market does not have the strength to go up right now, considering all the factors. So there is a possibility market breaking the level and going down. If that happens, we can take a sell. And those who have an ongoing buy position on the chart of euro dollar, please exit from the market before your capital is in danger, before your capital gets wiped out. Okay, lastly, I would like to take that in case market tries to recover, okay, in case market tries to recover, you can go for buy position as well, but yes, be uh, please use risk management. That's it. That's all I have to say. Okay. So, bye bye.